high-crime male driver with a red light jacket to the front.
There's two vehicles now, and this is a right in front of me trying to refer for police pursuit. We're about 100 miles an hour. Clean vehicles from lane 1.
They're all in with them, and I see the Infinity as well.
The Honda has a flat tire, the rear right tire is flat. This car is falling apart from the rear bumper.
The defense Honda has a flat tire on the front ticket.
Exiting the high point, sorry, we're coming from Highlands when I originally stopped. He yelled out the window that he has a kid, he's losing control. We're on an off ramp, he's lost control, faced the wrong way.
Okay, good.
The vehicle's on control, exiting the high point from Highlands, subject to child vehicle.
So we have a patrol car, guys going westbound into the Cowboys, and there is a kid in the vehicle, and there's another female in the passenger seat.
So start rolling, slow down.
So you don't pull the wrong way, try to pull the right way, and hopefully we'll get set up again. They come back westbound from High Point. I took overtake it from the correct lanes of traffic.
1260, we're starting rolling, slow down. Okay, there it is right there. Okay, easy, easy. It's spinning out. Now it's facing the right way. It's in the ditch. Go, go, go.
Yep, I got one WSC to looks like Dallas Lane Apartment. Stop right here. Stop Alfa, please. That's over the train track. Vehicle stop. Let's check the color from off. Got the driver door open. Looks like passenger door open as well. Hands are up.
Parking line advising driver door open, hands are up, 10-6.
Which side channel was?
Which one?
They're taking the passenger in custody and they're still talking to the driver. And they're taking both into custody right now.
Parking line advising taking both into custody, 10-6.